Oh yeah, I can do 3 or 4 tires with that thing. Oh, no, my friend. Have you seen the new? Those little battery pumps? This is a Cyclame air pump. Get rid of your CO₂s, man. And it takes 25 minutes to charge. Can't, if you're in your bag, it doesn't automatically turn on. You gotta hold it, turns on, and now it's ready to go. Probably about like 2-3 minutes, it'll pump this 3.0 tire. Look at my dog's face. And it'll do this like literally 3 Good curve. That's about it right there. That's about full right there. Done. But I couldn't believe, I tested it for this one, and the 2.8, I had put some tubes in here. I want to make sure this works before I get out there, because I had done it on Lost Valley one time, like this is genius. I was cracking, CO₂s on this, and it does nothing. It's like, my buddy had one of these, like, do this. I'm like, oh man, it's a freaking godsend.